Daniel Sagar here with Allsopp Allsopp at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment at the Nook 1 in Jebal Ali. As you enter the door on the right, you have a kitchen, no appliances included, with open area, open plan living room. Also allocated space for washing machine and dryer. On the left of the main door, you have a bathroom which can act as a guest bathroom and toilet, as well as it leads on into the first bedroom, which you can just seal off with a door. This is the first bedroom. As mentioned, open plan kitchen and living room onto a balcony next to IKEA and Jebal Ali Mall, more than 5 minutes walking distance, as well as next to Energy Metro Station. Bedroom number 2, also the same as bedroom number 1, goes into this walk-in closet and bathroom. For any questions, do contact me on the number provided below, or you can contact Allsopp Allsopp. Thank you.